In the last 5 years, India has seen massive growth, nearly to the tune of 20% in electronics and mobile sector. In the next 5 years, this growth is even going to be higher. It is going to be nearly 30% in the next 5 years. So that means there is a huge demand and there is a huge opportunity in this field. Let's understand what is electronics, what is embedded systems. Typically, if you understand computers, okay, you think of a PC, a laptop, or a gaming PC. Okay. But when it comes to embedded systems, they are also computers. The difference is they are computers which are embedded in another system. Let's take an example. Let's take an example of your washing machine. What is a washing machine? It's a mechanical system, but which is controlled by a small electronics component. That small electronics component within the washing machine is an embedded system.